Mugs, you ready for Christmas? You hear Santa Claus, sleigh bells off in the distance? Of course you do. It's the first real cold wintry day in Stowe, Vermont. Sunday. Day of rest. Hello! Everything's all set for Christmas, huh?
Oh, it's all ready to go.
Yeah. Beautiful. Wow. My nose is running, my lips are frozen. And we're going to crank up the turbo weasel in a minute, head off to Billy and get the Mercedes before it freezes into the ground and head back off to California. Ah, I wish. Yeah, it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas in Stowe, Vermont. What do you think, Mugs? Cold, huh? Have to go warm up. Some cookies and milk. Ah, here they come. Riding through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow, laughing all the way.
Hello, Onion.
Is that your friend, Mugs?
Hello, baby.
Oh, how nice. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Whew, my whistle's frozen. It is cold. Couldn't ask for a more idyllic setting, huh? Recreation stand. The recreation trail in Stowe. Oh, frozen drunk. Yeah, I know, Mug. You had it. Let's get back to the overheated hotel room. Wow, they must get one heck of a heating bill in that place. It was 80 and dry in there last night. Phew. We're moving along. Nose dripping at all. I love it. Frozen too.